Hello guys, welcome to Vision Let's. In this class we will learn about eraser tool and its properties. So let's start our today's class. So first select our eraser tool, which is right here, or you can simply press E on your keyboard for its shortcut. So what can you do from this tool? For example, let's make a new layer. Alright, I'll select brush, simple brush. Alright, let's paint over your image. Anything, it can be a doodle or it can be your anything, your object. So select your eraser tool and you can now erase your brush or strokes or your doodle from anywhere and in between anything. So you can also remove your sky from this tool. Let's double click on it to make it layer. Let's remove our sky. You can see right here that it is erasing background, or you can say sky, from this image. So these checkers or these small boxes indicates background. If you want to see that it is erasing anything, or you are not sure that it is erasing, but you can tell from these checkers that yes, it is erasing. But if you are not sure, just create a new layer, fill it and drag it to below main layer. So you can simply see. You can increase or decrease its size by holding Alt key and right click on your mouse and drag it to left to right to increase or decrease its size, just like our brush tool which we learned in our previous classes. You can also increase or decrease its hardness from right here, hardness and size. Alright, moving on to next, our background eraser tool. So first let's talk about this option. So what is the purpose of this tool? It removes background, or you can say a particular color, and you can say similar colors. Like I have my background in blue color, so if I left click on it and simply drag over my image, it will start removing the background. Let's take a new layer, drag it below, fill it with different color. It's not about just black or white, you can fill with any color just to check how it is working. So moving on to this next option, it works as same as this tool, this option, but the difference between these two is, let's talk about this first one. If you see closely right here between the circle, you have a small plus icon. I can simply remove it, but if I bring this plus over this roof, you will see that it starts removing the roof. Just be careful with this tool. Try to avoid these lines or object like this. Go around your object. Do not touch this plus with your object, so it will start removing it. But in this next option, simply left click on any of the sky. It will sample it. It will start erasing same as before, but the difference is you can now move this brush to anywhere on any object. Now you can move your tool over anything or any object, but wherever you click first on anything or whichever color, like this is our blue color, I clicked on blue color, it will only remove that particular color or similar ups and down color. So next option is color sampling. For this one, you can simply set color on this color palette. This is our foreground palette and this is our background. Click on it and select this color or any color, like let's forget this, pick like this brown color. Right now it will only remove your brown color. So moving on to next, magic eraser tool. If you remember, in our previous classes we learned magic wand tool, which selects the particular color and make a selection of it. But in magic eraser tool it will not create selection, it will remove that area by one click. If you can see, some portion are still there. For that, simply increase his tolerance like around 55. You can see now, by only one click it erased all the background of sky. Now you can simply add any sky, downloaded sky, drag it below the main layer. Now you can see. Just remember, magic eraser tool will not work on different colors like this one. If I click here, you can see now this removes the water. So this is our today's class in which we learned about eraser tool, background eraser tool and magic eraser tool. Practice this tool in your Photoshop. So we'll see you guys in our next class.